Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a fairly scarce, very sought after, and very moving book to read. It's a 1929, I think, second edition of a book published originally and very, very scarce in 1912, called The Loss of the Titanic. Let's just, second edition, 1929, first, 1912, but written in 1912. It's written by a survivor, an eyewitness, a survivor of the Titanic called Lawrence Beasley, and it's called The Loss of the Titanic, published in the Nautilus Library by Philip Allen. It's slightly tilted, the cover is rubbed and battered, but it's all fairly sound and tight otherwise, and it's an utterly compelling read. It deals with every aspect of the disaster, the construction and preparations for the first voyage, Southampton to the night of the collision and embarkation in lifeboats, the sinking of the Titanic seen from a lifeboat, which he saw it from, the rescue, the sinking of the Titanic seen from her deck, he has other accounts, the Carpathia's return to New York, the lessons taught by the loss of the Titanic, some impressions. It is very, very detailed. It gives minute by minute almost things that were happening, things that were seen, misconceptions are dealt with that later arose. It deals with reactions, how it felt in various parts of the ship when the boat struck, and it's incredibly moving in its descriptions of the sinking of the ship, what happened in the sea, and there's a passage which I find, I would read it to you, but it makes me cry. It talks about the life after the ship had gone, the silence of the night, completely cloudless, starry night, and in the water the moans and the screams of the survivors, and then it says during the next 3/4 of an hour in the icy sea they gradually died out, group by group, one by one, until no more were heard, and the night was silent. Very moving book. Scarce. The first two copies I found on the internet are priced at £35 and £36. For anyone interested in the Titanic, it's a brilliant read and would make a wonderful and rather moving Christmas present. There we are. Thanks very much. Bye.